Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are definitely welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be showing you how I made my easy beef fried rice, and if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. So on my list I have 3 medium carrots, 10 green peas, 1 medium onion bulb, 1 green bell pepper, red and yellow habanero pepper, have my garlic, my ginger, 2 seasoning cube, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of thyme. I have my half cup of kidney beans, half cup of corn, fresh corn, I boiled it. I have my half cup of vegetable oil and a quarter cup of green beans boiled too. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into the preparation. And on the heat I have my pot. I'll be adding in my washed 2.5 cup of washed rice, and I'll be adding 3.5 cups of meat stock to it. So I'm going to be cooking this to soft, not too soft so it wouldn't be soggy. So we'll just allow this to cook and we'll come back to it. Okay, so we'll check what it the rice is ready now. The water has dried up, so we'll keep this aside. And in my pan on the heat, I'll add some of my vegetable oil. I'll be frying my beef. This beef have been cooked, seasoned, well seasoned. Okay, so we're going to be stir frying this beef for few minutes. So we just stir the beef, and that is done. On the heat I have my pot, and I'll be putting in the rest of the vegetable oil. So allow this to heat up a bit, and I'll be adding in my chopped onion. So I'm going to be frying this onion, stir fry, just stir the onion. And I'm going to be adding in my chopped green bell pepper. Just stir to combine, and I'll add in my green beans. I bought this green beans fresh, so I had to cook it by myself, and that was very cheap. So I'm adding in my green peel now, and this green peel I added hot water to it. So I'll be adding in my red and yellow habanero pepper, my ginger and garlic. We'll stir this to combine. So my carrot is in there now, and I soaked it in hot water, and my corn is in there, my kidney beans all in there. So I'm going to stir fry this for few minutes. So I'll be adding in my curry powder, my seasoning cube, and I'll stir this to combine. This is looking so beautiful. And I'll add in my salt, my thyme, and give it a quick stir. I'll be adding in my boiled rice now, and I'll stir all to combine. Let all the vegetable combine together with the rice. Please, if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe and drop your comment at the comment section what you feel about this video, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. This will really help me. So we'll stir all together, and I'll be adding in my beef now. This is my cooked and stir fried beef, and we'll stir all to combine. This was delicious, and this is how it is. We'll allow this to cook for few minutes, and our beef fried rice is ready. Look at how it looks now that we are ready. So see you in my next one. Bye.